Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're here, it's probably because your Alexa device is blinking an orange light and you're wondering what that means. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll explain exactly what the orange light indicates and walk you through the steps to fix it. Let's dive right in. Section 1. What does the orange light mean? The orange light on your Alexa device is a signal that it's trying to connect to your Wi-Fi network. So, if you see this light, your Alexa is in setup mode or is reconnecting to the internet. Section 2. Step-by-step guide to fix the orange light. Now that we know the orange light means Alexa's having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi, let's fix that. Here are the steps you need to follow. Step 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. First, make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. Check your router to see if it's powered on and all the lights are normal. If your internet is down, reboot your router by unplugging it, waiting 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. Step 2. Restart your Alexa device. Next, try restarting your Alexa device. To do this, unplug the device from the power outlet, wait for 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. Alexa will automatically try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi once it powers back on. Step 3. Make sure your Alexa app is updated. Sometimes the issue can be with the Alexa app. Open your app store and check if there's an update available for the Alexa app. Keeping it up to date ensures it runs smoothly with your device. Step 4. Reconnect Alexa to Wi-Fi. If restarting didn't solve the issue, we may need to reconnect Alexa to the Wi-Fi network manually. Here's how. Open the Alexa app. Tap on Devices at the bottom of the screen. Select your Alexa device. Tap on Change next to Wi-Fi network. Follow the prompts to reconnect. Step 5. Reset your Alexa device if needed. If nothing else works, you might need to reset your Alexa device. Don't worry, this will just reset the Wi-Fi settings and not erase your entire setup. To do this, press and hold the action button on your Alexa device for about 15 seconds until the light ring turns orange again. Then, set up the device from scratch using the Alexa app. Conclusion. And that's it. Your Alexa should be back online and working as normal. If this video helped you fix the orange light, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you're still having issues or if there's another Alexa problem you'd like me to cover.